How to create a dynamic heading in Wix Studio. So I have in here this heading text that I want to connect to actually a CMS to make it dynamic. So in order to do that, let's head over right here into our CMS icon that we can see right here. Click onto the CMS and then make sure that it is enabled. For this one, you can add a preset or already create a connection. For this case, let's manage page connections, and then it will open in here this particular tab. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click on any which element that we want to connect into your CMS. So click onto this add dataset, and then from in here, choosing your collection that you want. And then after you have chosen that particular collection, just choosing here the dataset name. And then from in there, click onto that particular dataset and you can see in here this. So you can show it on all pages and the likes. Now click onto the particular element that you want to connect. So click on that, click onto this not connected and choosing here the dataset that you want to connect it into. Now, as you can see, it's now connected, and whenever you change this, it will also change the other dynamic heading that's connected to the CMS. So that's how you create a dynamic heading in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.